Alright guys, okay, we'll be doing a 3D design on mockup file. So what you will be needing for this stuff is your Chrome and your mockup file. So what you do, just quickly launch your Chrome browser, then enter the URL, which is www.photopea.com. So just send it, wait for it to load. Immediately, this is the interface. So what you do, you just click on your file, go to open. So automatically it will now prompt out your phone gallery where all your files are being stored. So select file. Okay, now you locate where you extracted the file to. So come here, locate your storage device. Okay, now I have it here. So what you do, just click on it, and here is it. Just allow it to load. So immediately it complete loading, you now see the file. So what you do, you replace it with your own file. So now it has load. So what you do, click on your layer. At the corner here you see smart object. Click on smart object, then you will see open. Click on open. Here is it. So what you do now, you go down to this left hand side, click on this lay. Sorry, go back. What you do, just change this stuff now with your own design. So you click on this, click on open and place. So you click on it, swap down to where you save your design from Pixel Lab. So you select. We'll be making use of this design, so you click on it, just allow it to load. Okay, now the design is on top of the previous one. So what you do, just click on this layer. Automatically it will now show you the two layers, which is the preview logo and the one you just imported. Click on your preview logo, delete it from the bucket here, this bucket. So click on and delete. Okay, now we have just the one you imported. So you click on this layer to exit it. Click on your file, come down to save smart object, click on it, allow it to save. This will take 2 or 3 minutes to save. Just hold on. Alright, that's it. So now what you just do now, you just click on this 3D glass, click on it, then hold on for some minutes again to convert. Alright, now we've successfully created the mockup file. So what you do to get it saved to your phone, click on your file, swap down to swap down to export as, click on it, then select your option. I will say you choose this JPEG, so just click on JPEG. then increase to 100, then save. So it will not tell you, do you want to download? Then just click yes, and here is it. So you open, and this is your mockup file. So this is how we create mockup file. All right, bye.